As a result of the new cases, the government has now escalated the guidelines and directives aimed at containing the spread of the coronavirus in the country. This follows cases of defiance by most Kenyans of the appeal to take responsibility at this time. The new measures include complete shutdown of churches, mosques, clubs, bars and entertainment spots.
All international flights are suspended effective Wednesday, the 25th at midnight. The only exception to this rule are cargo flights whose crew must observe strict guidelines. Those coming into the country between now and Wednesday, may they be Kenyans or foreigners, will undergo mandatory quarantine at a government-designated facility at their own expense. Countries wishing to evacuate their nationals must make their arrangements to do so within this period. Kenyans who are currently in foreign countries and will not have come back within the said period are advised to observe the guidelines issued in their respective countries, wherever they are. All persons who violate the self-quarantine requirement will be forcibly quarantined for a full 14 days at their cost and thereafter arrested and charged in accordance with the Public Health Act. Effective midnight tonight, all bars will remain closed until further notice. Restaurants are to remain open, but only for purposes of facilitating takeaway services. All public service vehicles must adhere to the directive issued on Friday, March the 20th, failure to which the respective SACCO licenses will be revoked. The Inspector General of Police, who is present with us here today, has been directed to enforce this directive. NAC has directed the suspension of all church, mosques, funerals, and other social gatherings, and funerals are restricted to immediate family members only. Go home. Stay at home. People are getting sick because they came in touch with somebody else.